Welcome to the first in the series of training modules presented by UES Promura. This module covers safety, maintenance and use of the S750 air tool and the C001 hand tool. Band-It manufactures 46 sizes of smooth ID preformed hose clamps in 3 types of steel: galvanised, 201 stainless steel and 316 stainless. The staff at UES Promura will help you choose the best clamp for your application. This will be determined by hose type, hose pressure, coupling and environmental conditions such as marine or chemical. The clamp width and type of steel determine the S750 settings. These are pull-up pressure, holding pressure and pull-up speed. These settings need only be changed if a different clamp is used. Before starting the S750 air tool, familiarise yourself with the operating procedures. Do not operate the tool without a cover in place. Use only recommended Band-It preformed clamps. Do not exceed recommended pressure settings. Excess pressure may cause sudden clamp failure during application or result in an unsafe clamp. Always keep fingers clear of clamp during application. Disconnect air supply before servicing air tool. Ensure the tool is firmly mounted. Safety glasses or goggles should be worn when applying clamps, and always keep tool in good operating condition. Set pull-up pressure and speed control settings according to the chart on the side of your S750 air tool. The pull-up pressure is the maximum setting and may be reduced depending on the type of hose and type of coupling you are using. Insert clamp towel into nose of tool with buckle on top. Depress toe end and keep the toe end down of the foot pedal to tension clamp. When pressure drops to holding pressure, roll clamp up. With clamp in full roll-up position, making sure shear hook is engaged into buckle, pull cut-off lever to lock and complete clamp. Depress heel end of foot pedal and remove scrap end of clamp. This is a quick demonstration on how to use the C001 hand tool.